Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start using HubSpot for your business step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the HubSpot website. Click on the Get Started button. Select the plan that best fits your business needs. If you're new, consider starting with the free tier. Create your HubSpot account by entering your email address and password. Verify your email by clicking the link sent to your inbox. Once you're logged in, take a brief tour of the dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the main features, marketing, sales, and service. Access the HubSpot Academy to explore tutorials and training resources. Set up your profile by adding your business information. Navigate to the Settings section to customize your account. Integrate your email and social media accounts for seamless connectivity. Import existing contacts from your previous system or upload a new list. Create your first marketing campaign by selecting the Marketing tab. Choose the type of content you want to create, such as email or landing page. Use the drag and drop editor to design your content. Set up tracking parameters to measure the success of your campaigns. Utilize the CRM tools to manage your leads and customer interactions. Monitor your dashboard to analyze performance metrics regularly. Experiment with automation features to streamline repetitive tasks. Engage in regular training on new HubSpot features and updates. Join community forums to connect with other HubSpot users. Regularly review and adjust your strategies based on data insights. Continue to explore advanced tools as your proficiency improves. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.